Yeah. What are they buying here?
Screen shake.
So there's an ice cream shake right there.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Belize! Hey, I really need to work hard because I don't have enough time.
What do you mean?
Enough time from Belize, the transitions of countries.
Oh yeah. People will think you were here for 2 weeks. All the videos you made.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Did you go to Chapultepec in Guadalajara? Chapultepec.
Oh, Chapultepec. Yeah. Actually, it's like also in Mexico City. I used to live there. It says they're like stations.
That's where I would go out.
This car is going this way. I feel like we would have gone that way.
That one?
We go this way.
It was more busy. I
Huh?
thought it was more busy.
Maybe the other street. I feel like.
It's like an Indian.
Yeah, even right there. I was here yesterday.
That don't make sense, man. People come here.
I think we could go that way. Hey, these are really good now.
That one? Just keep exploring.
Yeah. Evening walk. Last day in Belize. Let me.
Calm before the storm.
Yeah.
Sit and sit. You know, garbage cans.
Hey guys, we here. Me and my boy, we're trying to walk around. Sorry, the camera is not focusing. I'm using the Osmo. But I'm trying to find him in focus. So ensure give the video a like. We're just walking here, very lost. Yeah, evening walk. You know.
Breeze.
Yeah, frogs. I should have filmed like so close to it. But maybe the other main street. But the last time we passed, we saw very busy streets here. Hey, actually here bicycles is like a culture. That looks like Cuba. Oh. Yeah, when the dog sees the owner.
You know you, man.
This must be where they do their shopping.
Yeah. Hey, you see right there?
Beauty shops.
Yeah. Careful with the road.
You know, they have a lot of beauty salons.
Yeah.
The girls like to get their hair done.
Yeah, that's what I realized. It's really a lot. Hi.
Even here, they seem a little like behind the times. Not obviously.
Oh,
not as,
yeah,
not
yeah.
as much as Cuba,
But they're
a
behind time, yeah.
whereas Mexico is the same.
Really? Huh?
Yeah, Mexico is like current.
Yeah, Mexico is really current. Oh shit. My camera is.
I want tamales. I want tamales.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you, dear. I want to buy one tamales from Belize. I have 8. I have this. Can you give me a shilling?
I have none.
Thank you, babe. A quarter. Can you give me something, sweetheart? I don't have any money there.
Here you go.
Tricky situation.
Huh?
Tricky situation.
Why me?
Yeah. So sometimes me when it happens like that, I know she's like sent. You know?
She's what?
Like sent from above. She
doesn't
just
need
didn't
it?
yeah, she just didn't show up. You know? Oh, this is where we saw a lot of action. And they sell tamales right there. This looks like a small town. Let's go that way, you see? This looks like a very,
Got that bar.
yeah, huh? Like it's a small town on its own.
It's a community.
Yeah, community, yeah. And cute girls are right here now.
Number 1 for the Orange Walk Uprising.
That girl
marching
does
band,
not
and number
speak.
2 for Sartoneja United Drum Corps and the number 3 for Wesley College Marching Band.
But also you realize there are too many babies growing up.
Yes. Many.
So the Belize population will boom.
Overpopulated in this city.
I don't know if these women are into drugs or you see, like you find women like they're like out of a touch. So you wonder like what's up, you know? Like what's wrong? Here they sell CDs. Oh, we came to the gas station where we are today. Huh?
No, that's a different one.
That's a different one, right?
Yeah.
How it would have shocked me. Like how fast is that? This could be a nice place to eat.
Yeah.
Especially when when you see people,
Malays.
many people go there. Wow. I think we shall have to go back, right? Or we go with one other street,
Yeah.
or the same street only.
Yeah, they're parallel, I think. Yeah. I like the streets up here. Maybe go on the other side.
Yeah, or even the same. We shall see different things, you know.
Yeah.